Hello guys, welcome back and this is Tutor. Today I'm going to share with you another base website. It is a faucet website. Pay you Dogecoin and sell it to your faucet pay. First of all, come in this website, okay? This website link available in description. This method Doge every 3 minutes pay you. Just click claim. First of all, solve this capture is too easy. It's smiling dogs like this. Smiling dogs. Just click the smiley dog available. Picture available in this one and just solve this capture. Okay, it's a 3 1 7 and 5. Just put your faucet pay username. My faucet pay username is 909090. You know your faucet pay username and just click get reward. This website send your satoshi instantly to your faucet pay, and I go to my faucet pay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website send me or not. I come down in here, you can see claim, clicks Doge pay me. That's my satoshi and sell it to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.